Are your Roku apps or channels crashing unexpectedly, leaving you frustrated? Don't worry, we have got simple and effective fixes to get you back to seamless streaming in no time. Hey there, and welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are tackling one of the most common Roku issues, app and channel crashes. Stick with us as we walk you through the best troubleshooting steps to restore your Roku and keep your streaming uninterrupted. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your internet connection. When channels are crashing on a Roku device, check if your internet connection is stable. Make sure you are using the right network and double-check the password. Ensure that other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using a cellular data connection, try connecting to a wireless network instead. Method 2. Power cycle your Roku device. The next thing you can do is power cycle the Roku streaming device. You can also restart it from the settings menu. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll and select settings. Choose system, then power, and finally system restart. Or you can turn the device off, then unplug it from the main power source. After a couple of minutes, turn the device on and check. Method 3. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both your modem and router from power. Wait for about 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Allow your modem and router to fully restart. Method 4. Check for software update. Ensure your Roku device is running the latest firmware. To update the firmware, navigate to Settings, then select System, then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Once done, relaunch the app and check. Method 5. Clear cache. Temporary data, cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues while streaming. Clearing app data and cache can help fix the issue. Here is how to do so. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote for 5 consecutive times. Then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for the Roku system to restart. Method 6. Update the channel. Next, you can update the channel on which you are getting the error. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Then press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Here, we are showing the steps with this channel. The method is the same for the channel. Now press the star button on your remote. Next, select check for updates. Then wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 7. Disable your VPN or proxy service. If you're getting a message that says not available in your region yet, your IP address might be blocked or incorrectly identifying your location. In this case, disable your VPN or proxy services if you are using one. Then reopen the channel and check. Method 8. Reinstall the problematic channel. If the issue persists, then try removing it and then adding it back. To do so, go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel. Here we are showing the steps with this channel. The method is the same for the channel. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select remove channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select streaming channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel, select the channel and click add channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. Method 9. Perform a factory reset. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. Method 10. Contact channel support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, then you can contact the specific channel support team for further assistance. And that's it. Hopefully, these solutions helped fix Roku app and channel crashes so you can get back to uninterrupted streaming. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech tips and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any questions or other Roku issues? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to help. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.